Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to remove a key from a dictionary. So let us start this with the program. Here, this defines a function named remove key from dictionary that accepts two parameters, dictionary and key to remove. Here, dictionary, a dictionary from which a key might be removed, and key to remove the key that we want to remove. This function removes the key if it exists in the dictionary. Now, this is a docstring, a multi-line comment which tells the main purpose of the function, the argument it takes, and the return value. Now, here in the next line, this checks if the key provided, key to remove, exists in the dictionary. Here, the in operator is used to check the existence of the key in the dictionary. Now, in the next line here, this deletes the key value pair from the dictionary using the delete statement. And if the key exists, it is removed from the dictionary. And here it prints a message to the user that key has been removed, and the F string is used to dynamically include the key name in the message. And the next line executes this block. If the key to remove is not found in the dictionary, this prints a message that key to remove key not found in the dictionary. So here, this line returns the modified dictionary after attempting to remove the key. Now here in the next line, this line creates a dictionary with three key value pairs, and this line prints the original dictionary before any modification. Here in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter the key they want to remove from the dictionary, and the entered value is stored in the variable key. Now in the next line here, this line calls the remove key from dictionary function, passing my dictionary and the user provided as the key argument, and the return dictionary with the key removed if applicable is stored in the variable updated dictionary. Now in the last line here, if the key was removed, the updated dictionary will not include that the key value pair. If the key was not found, the dictionary remains unchanged. So let us check this program, as we need to enter the key to remove. Hence, I have removed the key name and the updated dictionary prints. So thanks for watching this video.